Finally, this is the last video about oil pastels mini paint. Thank you all for accompanying me. And this is how it looks eventually. 40分钟 I paints in total. I appreciate whoever watched this. This series is super important to me. I know some of you may already feel bored, but I take this chance for practicing my own patience. I also enjoy the process of painting oil pastels, of course. It is super soothing and comfortable. Whenever I finish one little paint, I feel big accomplishment, and I wish you will enjoy watching the whole collection book. They're not perfect, but benefited a lot during this experience. And the good news is, after this video, I'll go back to making crafts video again. I can't wait and I'm super excited. But let's finish this video first, okay? Sorry to make you bored, please bear with me. Thank you so much. I hope you can tell me which is your favorite in the comments. I really appreciate it. See you in next video.